What's up, guys? Today I am checking out the new Animal Company update. Now there's a lot to check out. This is my brother, Mojang VR. Yeah, so it's like the weird @ symbol and then Mojang VR. Go subscribe to him. And let's get straight into today's video. We don't need grapplers because they're kinda useless. So first, we need teleport guns.
Oh yeah, I have a teleport gun.
Okay, guys, so I need a light. Glow sticks are just better.
I'm gonna sell this Game Boy.
In general, so yeah. Let's see how much this Game Boy sells for right off the bat. Let's go and press the button. But yeah, as you notice, we are in the new spawn. If you haven't checked this update out, make sure you go check it out. And I am saving up to make a new fit with this bundle. So this could possibly be the last time you see the OG Animal Company Silverback G fit. Now, I'm not going to spoil my new fit that I am going to be doing. I'm just going to say that I am going to use stuff from this bundle. Now, we have the Bold Gold Old Pack. It comes with one big GAT, original gorilla hands, golden grenade, and 5,000 company coins. It's available for 12 days. I'm not going to say all that random stuff, and it's $20. It's kind of good. I already have the Jumpstart pack, but yeah. The Duck Bundle's leaving soon. And we have the cowboy hat, this stuff over here. We have these are supposed to be here. But we also have an anniversary pack that comes with a cat, German Shepherd, kitten, pug, and tiger. And if you already have one, you'll get 6,000 company coins instead. What did you just buy? Yo, chat, he just bought something. Bro, what did you buy? Anyways.
The furniture.
Oh. Anyways, guys, we also have these diver sets. Enough talking about the cosmetics. Over here, you can see that the office is blocked off. And if you look in the horizon, they added these teleporters and teleport guns, which definitely need to be nerfed because they're infinite use and OP. Now, when people were going into the new map, I'm assuming everyone thought that this was going to be forest, but no. We will go to there later at the end of the video. But what forest actually is, this is forest, and it's not following any of the game's old logic, because the farther up you go, the darker and scarier it gets. I don't want to go there because it gets very scary and very creepy. Here's the selling machine. It sucks now because you can't see the numbers if you sell like a certain amount. If it gets into the thousands, you can't see the numbers.
Sucks. Mine sucks now.
Mine's?
It's now called Caves.
It's always been called Caves. It has 2 names. Yeah, it's basically just a new entrance. Nothing much has changed. I actually like the new entrance. I don't know, because like it's safe. No monsters there. But yeah, sewers is now the darkest and scariest map of all. As you can see down there just fine, but when you go down there, it gets absolutely dark and scary. Now, let's go to the new map. I'm going to the new map. They have added the swimming update, and oh my god, this water is holy heaven. But you cannot touch. Watch this. Swimming update. I don't even think that you need, like, if they nerfed grapplers too. So you cannot use grapplers on anything metal, which is very bad, but you cannot touch the oil spills, or that will happen. It does not do very much damage, but you just have to kind of parkour your way through, or just teleport through. But if you just got on, you probably don't have teleport guns. If you do, I don't know how the heck you got them. But if you forgot a light, there is a naturally spawning flashlight, which I think I might take. Just because we might run out of some light source, because light sources can die in this game, and what's back here? There are some weird cracks and crevices, but yeah, this is the entrance, and there's a slide. We have to slide right here, and it's super cool and fun and awesome. Yeah, so this update is one of the biggest updates the company has probably ever done. There is new loot as well. So, if you're lucky, Pokemon cards.
We can't look at it.
Yeah, you can.
No, if you look at it, it will get angry.
No, if you look at it, it gets scared, and then when it turns red, it gets angry. I saw a Pokemon card! We have to get it!
What?
A Pokemon card! We have to get it! Oh, I'm on Incinerator. Chat, I'm blind. That's a new monster, and oh my god, it's so scary. Yeah, chat. I'm going to make a part 2 to this series. This update just too big to cover it all in one video. This,
dude, I'm gonna have to go.
Is part 2. Part 1. So stay tuned for the next part of the game.
You should ground him.